This property is presented by Jessica Magaha with First City Property Group. Powered by Platinum Realty. Please call 913-748-6213 with any questions. To schedule a tour. Or for more information about getting your home on the market and sold. Completely remodeled and stunning 2-story in the heart of KCK. Gorgeous hardwood floors flow throughout the main level. Kitchen boasts granite countertops, tile backsplash and custom cabinetry. Easy main level laundry. Good-sized bedrooms with fresh paint and new carpet. Front yard is accented by a custom wall and backyard is fenced. Alley access through rear of property. Truly beautiful from top to bottom, a must-see.